What's going on, everybody? Chum Change XD here. Hope you're all staying healthy and having a great day. We got a package today from yours truly, Crypto Duck. I feel like Panda. I forgot my knife today. So we're going to use a little screwdriver that helped me take the fans apart on those 3060s, as you guys just saw. Nice. This logo and this sticker is absolutely fantastic. I'm going to stick it right here on the wall for now, just because he's got tape on the back. Oh, he even wrote on it, said thank you, keep up the hard work, happy mining, Crypto Duck. Thank you for everything you guys do, happy mining, Crypto Duck. So I assume one of these is for the wife and one of those is for me. I super appreciate it. Thank you so much, man. All right, let's get back to what's in here. We have 4 6600 XT Sapphire Pulses. Love it. All right, so story behind these. He actually just wanted to slim down a little bit. He actually ended up purchasing too many cards, which is kind of crazy, I know. But he offered me to buy them off him, so I purchased these from him. They were not free, but he gave me a good deal and I appreciate that. He mined on them for a little bit. So my plan here with these is to get all 3 of them alongside these 3 right here inside this extra slot with another 4-way splitter. So essentially we will have a 14 card GPU rig in the middle of the 2 13 cards. I'm super excited to do this. I don't know if it's going to work. I don't know if that board can actually accept 14 cards, because this is the motherboard that came with the CPU already installed. All I had to do is buy RAM. So I'll leave a link to this board in the description below, and I'll also leave a link to the video right up above if you guys haven't seen that. But yeah, so let me unbox all of these and we'll check them out. All right, so there we have all 4. We got some Misfit Mining hangers. Those are available inside the Misfit Mining Discord for anybody wondering. We have the splitter right here, AAAWAVE. Thank you so much for sending this over. You guys are fantastic. Also, AAAWAVE, we do have a coupon code for the sluice frame. I believe it's MM20. It'll always be in the description link below. Then we have some GPU risers from GPUrisers.com. Thank you so much for Vistang for sending those over. There's a coupon code for them as well down in the description below. So what we're going to do is take all these cards. I need to throw the risers on them. Let's throw the hangers on them. Then I guess we'll shut down this rig and get everything installed. Then we have to pull some more power from the breakout board back there, but should be very interesting. So, all right, let me throw all the risers on, hangers on, get them all set up, and then we'll get hanging them and turning them on. All right, let's throw these risers on quick. Just gonna take them all out of the bag first. Move some of this stuff over. All right, so these we're not gonna be using. We'll start by slapping these 8 capacitor GPU risers on. Basically just wanna push and click. You'll hear it snap in, all right? So now what I like to do is I like to plug the riser in to the USB. So I'm going to unwrap all these. Actually, you know what? Right before I do that, I am going to throw the Misfit Mining hangers on each card. I chose orange and black because I get the misprints, so I didn't have 4 orange. For anybody wondering, these are super easy to put on. You just take the screw out. Going to take this. These little tabs right here are going to go into the bottom of the GPU, and then the screw is going to go into the top of it, and that's it. All right, done and done. So now what we'll do is take the USBs and I'll plug those in, basically to each card, and lay it down. So right here I have a couple splitters kicking around. I do have the 8-pin ones from GPUrisers.com in there, but I don't need those right now because these are already open. I'm not going to open a new pack for 6600 XT. These are very low wattage cards, so I'm not too concerned. All right, so each one of these 6600 XTs has a 8-pin right here. So we need to plug that in. And then we take the other side of the splitter and I plug that into the riser right here. And then you only need one wire from the breakout board to feed this splitter. So that's nice. So I'm gonna do that for all 4 of these. All right, so as you guys can see, we have splitter going to the card and the riser, and then the USB on each card. So I'm just gonna be pulling the power from here back to the breakout board. So now let's get into the miner and shut this rig down. Go to Hive OS. Going to stop the miner just for a few. We're gonna power down this rig, shut down, confirm. All right, so that rig just shut down. Now I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna hang them. So give me a second, you guys will see all of these 8 cards, these 4 pushed back and the 4 in front in just a second. And there it is. Everything is hung up. I was only able to push the back cards back like 2 rungs, if that actually, it might just be 1, because the way these splitters are designed, they come out the back, so it's a very far stretch to make it not hit the fan here on this GPU and to reach the riser that's like way back here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's kind of a stretch. We'll turn on the breakout board in the back, power up all these cards, make sure all the risers are lit up. Okay, everything's lit up. Now we're gonna turn on the ATX power supply actually. And it fired right up. And this fan's not spinning. Oh, I didn't even have to touch it. There it is. All these fans are spinning. All right, so I don't know if it's actually going to work. I have to unplug one of these cards right now because it's not registering with all 14 cards. So let's see if this board will turn on with 13. I don't think so. So see the M SATA? That usually stays blinking when it's reading. So gotta shut it off. Gonna unplug one more. Let's try it again. Now there's only 12 cards installed. All right, good. That's good news. So if you heard the beep, that means it's registering. I mean, even 12 cards is pretty impressive on a 8 GPU riserless motherboard. It stinks that I need to figure out these other 2. So, let me make sure that Hive OS actually starts up, and yeah, then we'll assess what to do. I think I might end up having to hook up 2 of these 6600s down into this rig down here that only has 8 cards on it. This is my used mining card rig that I actually purchased from somebody through Discord. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll drop a link above. So give me a few minutes. Let me assess the situation and we'll go from there. All right, so I had to make an executive decision. I put all 5 6600 XT pulses on this rig, included in the 12 cards. Then we have the 63060 white Zotacs. I have my 13060 Ti Aorus in the back. I have the Radeon Gigabyte and the ASRock Radeon 6600 XTs right here. So I'm going to take those and I'm going to try and get them onto this rig somehow. It's going to be a squeeze. I already have 8 cards on it and I have exactly 2 more slots. This is the only spot I can put them in this garage without utilizing another motherboard and everything else. I mean, I have one over there, but yeah, I'm not gonna do that. So my plan is to basically try and hang them here. I really wanna put this whole unit inside there. Ugh, that's gonna be so hard. It's like just too tight, because if you look right here, this card's in the way, and if you look right here, this card's in the way, so I have to shut down this rig and that rig to make that happen. I might just do it. I don't know, give me a second, I'm gonna figure this out. So if I hang the cards right here behind this rig, my issue is the USBs are not gonna reach from this far back, basically all the way to this board. Again, this is an ASRock H110 motherboard. I have tried to put a M.2 by USB splitter into this to get 14 cards to work, and that did not work. I think the ASRock just can't handle 14 cards. So because we're only going to be running 10 cards, because there's 8 on it now, there's 2 more here, so that's 10. It's under 13 cards. I am wondering if this splitter right here that was sent over to us from AAAWAVE, thank you very much. It is a PCIe 1x4, and it basically goes in just like a GPU riser. You have a USB running from A to B, which is this, and this has its own power to power 4 PCIe slots. So I then would put the, you know, express connections into here and then up to the GPU. So if I can get this thing basically sitting on my network switch back here, obviously on top of a piece of cardboard or something for now, and get this thing to reach the USB to the card, we will be good. But I don't know if this is gonna work on the H110. Man, I'm cramming a lot into this video, so let's hope that this works. All right, so here it is inside the board. Then we have this board right here. I actually put duct tape on the back side of it so no metal's touching on top of the network switch there. I powered it by a SATA because it shouldn't pull that much power, at least I hope not. This card is basically split into the other cards here. Same thing with there. I've never done this before, so let's see. Actually, I powered it off through Hive OS, so let's see. Cards are on. That's on. All right, so everything's working. Now I have to pray that this all registers. All right, so all 10 are registering, 0 through 7 and then 0 and 1 because NVIDIA and AMD. But as you can see, we're doing fairly well. They're only doing 28.47 mega hash, so I'm gonna have to mess with the clocks on those two. So we now have 12 cards in CCXD8 and I have 9 cards on CCXD9. So real quick, just so you guys know, what I had to do was, as you can see, this PDU is going between 17 and 18 amps. I had to basically take these 2 cards and power them from the breakout board directly above because that one is also at 17 amps. It was going to between 18 and 19. And 17 is already pushing the 80% rule, or it's over the 80% rule of this 20 amp Trip Lite PDU. So going from 18 to 19 was way worse than going from 17 to 18. Yeah, so that's kind of what I did. I just decided to do that for now until I can add a second PSU and plug it into the bottom because that one only has 14 amps. But guys, this video has went on way too long. It's getting late. I need to get out of here. I appreciate all you guys for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe on the way out, and I'll see you guys real soon. Peace.